Hi, so this is from the official SAT study guide from the College Board, practice test 2, math calculator, question number 13. And this actually relates to surveys. A researcher conducted a survey to determine whether people in a certain large town prefer watching sports on television to attending the sporting event. So you've done research, you've done surveys before. Surveys really give us a good way to gauge like what a certain group of people might choose in a given scenario. You've probably done them in your school. They're done in different businesses. Your parents might have even completed surveys. But in order for a survey to be good, we like the sample size to be actually pretty good, like a good size. So the larger, the better. But the fact of the matter is, this one, the researcher asked 117 people who visited a local restaurant on a Saturday, and 7 people refused to respond. So 117 people is not bad, okay? Which of the following factors make it least likely that a reliable conclusion can be drawn about the sports watching preferences of all people in the town? Well, the most important thing for for a survey to be good is that it has to be random. Okay, it has to be people have to be randomly selected, so randomly selected from the whole population. From the whole population. So if I'm doing a survey at my school, I've got to do the whole school, and it's got to be a random selection of the people, okay? And yes, sample size matters, but this is actually, 117 is actually a pretty good sample size. So I'm going to throw out sample size. The population size, does it matter for the survey? No, it matters for the result of the survey. The number of people that refused to respond, well, if that was 100 people refused to respond, well, then you wouldn't have a lot of people in the survey. So that actually is a bad answer as well. But the thing about it is where this survey was given made it so it wasn't randomly selected from the whole population. It was given at a local restaurant. A local restaurant in a city, could be all the people that live locally, like right around it. Or it could be a sports bar where everyone that is at the is in the bar right now is people that like sports. So that is not randomly selected from the whole population. So where the survey was given is the reason that makes it least likely that a reliable conclusion can be drawn. Thanks. Hopefully that was helpful.